So let's use this information now that we've learned in order to draw one atom of carbon. So you'll see in the assignment that I've given you some information about this one atom of carbon I want you to draw. You're told that the atomic number is 6, so therefore we know it'll have 6 protons. The atomic mass is 12, so that is the number of protons and neutrons, so 12 minus 6 gives us 6, telling us we also have 6 neutrons. You're also given that it is electronically balanced, so therefore the positive charges have to equal the negative charges. I have 6 protons, positive, so I have to have 6 electrons that are negative. That information is given. We also know that protons and neutrons are going to be found in the nucleus, and the electrons are going to be found in the electronic shells. So we can then draw our atom. So you can see here is one atom of carbon. The 6 protons, P+, have been placed in the nucleus with the 6 neutrons. Notice I let you know that P+ stands for protons in my legend, and that N stands for neutrons. We just learned that electronic shells, the electrons go in those shells in a particular order. So you notice it says 2e minus in the first shell because we have 6 electrons, so the first 2 have to go into the first shell. We now have 4 left over, which will fit into the second shell. I've labeled my shells, and I've also labeled the valence shell. The second shell for carbon is its valence shell because it is the last shell that has electrons. So for a complete drawing, you need to make sure you have labeled everything: the nucleus, the electron shells, the valence shell, and if you use symbols, make sure you give me a legend so that I know what your different symbols stand for.